You guys, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to use the Trifecta manual transfer switch. Now this is the same thing as the Generlink automatic transfer switch. It just manually transfers power rather than automatically. Okay, what you're gonna do is go into your breaker panel, go to the breaker panel in your house and flip all the breakers off, including the main breaker. That's the first thing you wanna do. You don't wanna transfer loads between the generator and utility when you're hooking this up. So make sure all that's turned off. Once you do that, come back outside and let's get the generator hooked up to the manual transfer switch. Now, according to code and fire department, the fire department is the generator has to be at least within 5 feet away from the structure. There's some codes out there that require it to be 20 feet away as well. When you buy the transfer switch from us here at Hutch Mountain, it comes with a 20-foot cord. So make sure you utilize the entire length of this cord. Let's get that generator away from the structure of the building. We just want to make sure there's no exhaust being blown right next to the building there. Okay, once you have gone ahead and got your generator out, you got it where you want it to be away from the building, go ahead and plug it in, one end of the cord into the generator, and then you're going to take the other end of the cord and you're going to plug it right into the bottom of this transfer switch. Go ahead and fire up your generator at this point, and then on this transfer switch, the manual one, there's a red lever on the side here. By default, it's going to be in the utility grid position. So you have utility grid, off, and alternate source. The generator power is your alternate source. So go ahead and take that lever and flip it up to the off, and one more time to alternate source. That's now running on generator power. Now let me explain. Once the power comes back on, the generator is still gonna run your house until you come out and turn the generator off. So what you wanna do is, again, go to your breaker panel, make sure all your breakers are flipped off, including the main breaker, and then come back out and go ahead and flip this lever down to the off position and down to utility grid. And now you are back on the utility power. Once you do that, you're back on utility power and you're good to go. I want to explain something here though. On this red lever, there's actually a lockout system on this. And what the purpose of this is let's say somebody's working on power in your house or wherever it may be, just some kind of electrical. You want to flip this lever to the off position, and then you have this lockout brace here. It's a little lever that you flip over into the red handle. Now you can put a padlock in here, and that keeps anybody from messing with this to allow power back into the house if they're doing any work or anything like that. So this transfer switch is really awesome. The great thing about the manual transfer switch is you can run generators that are 120 or 240 as well. So these wide range of variation of generators there. You guys, we just want to make sure you're taken care of. You never know when the power is going to go out. We just want to make sure you and your family are taken care of. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us here at Hutch Mountain.